National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Eastern Pike until 11:45 p.m. At 11:13 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Germany, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Piketon. In addition, Stockdale, Germany, Givens, Beaver, Pike County Airport, and Omega are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.